world where visuals speak louder than words, where creativity meets technology, and where your ideas deserve to be more than just thoughts. It's time to bring your vision to life. Introducing Graphics Designing with AI Skills, a complete course na magdadala sa iyo from beginner to professional level. Master the tools every modern designer needs. Adobe Photoshop for photo editing and digital art. Adobe Illustrator for vector logos and branding. Adobe InDesign for brochures, layouts, and magazines. CorelDRAW for detailed, creative designs. Plus, AI graphic design skills using the power of artificial intelligence. Design smarter, not harder. With AI tools, kayang-kaya mong gumawa ng stunning designs in just a minute. From text prompts to finished artwork. Para kang may kasamang design assistant powered by AI. And don't worry, you'll be guided by experienced instructors, hands-on projects, real-world tasks, and step-by-step lessons. Wala akong design background? No problem! Kahit beginner ka, kayang-kaya mo to. And once you finish the course, you will receive a certificate from ICSA na magagamit mo sa iyong job application. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start your success story with ICSA. Message us on our WhatsApp numbers +965-9930-2850 or +965-5077-8703 and look for Miss Michelle. Or you can visit us in Kuwait City, Malia, Panasonic Tower, 8th floor. A modern space built for learning and creativity. Design your dreams, express your passion, and build a future na ikaw ang may design. Graphic Designing with AI Skills where creativity meets opportunity. This is Miss Michelle from ICSA Kuwait, your partner in success.